in 3, 2, 1, go!
And right away, we've got 2 specimens up, 1 specimen, 1 sample in the high basket, courtesy of Turbo V8. They just scored a second for the Red Alliance. We've got WXYZ working on scoring some samples up into the high basket. There's their first for blue into the high basket, as their alliance partner, Heart of Robots, has scored 2 specimens so far, and they have now scored a third for the Blue Alliance. Aspirity now parked in the Red Alliance observation zone after scoring 5 specimens onto the chamber for Red.
3, 2, 1.
Red Alliance does have the lead. They've got 5 specimens up on the chamber and another sample added and another into the high basket from Turbo V8. That robot has a very quick intake, picks one up just after reaching into the submersible using that active intake they've got. Meanwhile, on blue, Team 19705 WXYZ has scored what looks to be a 4th and now a 5th sample into the high basket for the Blue Alliance, looking to catch up to Red. All 4 robots reaching into the submersible right now. WXYZ brings away and scores another sample into the high basket. Aspirity on the Red Alliance brings back a sample, is now collecting another, and it's going back to score another specimen. Looks like 7 specimens for the Red Alliance so far. Heart of Robots now scoring what looks to be a 4th or 5th specimen for the Blue Alliance. 55 seconds remains here in playoff match number 12. This is our tiebreaker match. Another score now from Heart of Robots as a specimen. Aspirity matching that on the Red Alliance side of the field, as Team 14259 Turbo V8 decides to transition to the low basket, deciding that that high basket is all filled up. Another score now for Aspirity of a specimen. Same thing on the Blue Alliance side. Heart of Robots quickly cycling their specimens back and even bringing back a missed specimen back to the observation zone. 13 seconds left to go, and we've got robots still on the move and scoring before lining up to ascend out of the deep. Another score now from Heart of Robots. Looks like the Red Alliance chamber is all filled up. Looks like we may have 2 level 2s. It is the Red Alliance. Red Alliance continues on with a score of 497 to the Blue Alliance's score of 351. We'll see our Red Alliance again in playoff match number 13, where they're playing for a shot